1965 Shelby GT350. That's where we start here with this car, Professor.
Well, let me start by telling you that it is an MCA Concours Gold Award winner. They do not give that lightly, as well as the SAAC Gold Award winner, 562, built in the debut year. 306 horsepower, 289, 4-speed, Wimbledon White. Beautiful presentation. Factory demonstrator when it was new. How is it, Bill?
Well, you know, I remember the story about old Carroll Shelby. He wanted to go SCCA racing because Lee Iacocca said the Mustang needed a little bit more of a, shall we say, macho image. So he called John Bishop at the SCCA and he said, "Hey, John, what do I got to do to the Mustang to make this thing a sports car?" He said, "Well, give it brakes, give it suspension, give it more power, and take out the back seat, make it a two-seater." Take a look. Ain't no back seat in that one.
As you watch this bid creep up toward $400,000, well, we're there at $400,000. That 1966 Ford GT40 Mark I, just to plant this seed in your head, 14 cars away, so we're getting closer.
420, give 420. Yeah, 420. You're out. 425.
Oh, my.
425. 425. Give me 5. 425. 425. 425. Give me 25. 425. 435. 435. 435.
Somewhere on the outside of the room.
430. 440, 440, 450, 450.
Incredible bids still have not met the reserve.
Right.
450,000, 450. Give 450. I really want you to own it. Give $450,000. $450.
I don't know.
$450,000.
There you go.
460. I really want you to own it. 450. 460. Reserve is on.
Oh, there we go, everyone. The reserve is off. And you don't get the opportunity on a car like this very often.
But you are.
And another bidder just jumped into the mix, John.
Yes, 470.
Not surprised reserve came off. Somebody wanted a part of it.
Yep.
460 bids, 70. I have 460 bids. Anybody get 70 bids? Anybody get 70? Anybody get 70? Anybody get 470? I have 460, 70, 80, 90. 490. 400. Just give 500. No, just give 500.
Will we
just
hit
give 500.
$500,000?
Give $500,000. $500,000. 500.
Yes, sir.
$525,000. Oh, you're going to quit there?
Oh, my word.
He's going to be driving your car. 500 is the bid.
Reserve came off at $450,000. We're at $500,000.
Well, I think the
He
gentleman,
may be out.
He's out. Yep.
I knew he would.
500. 510. It's my line. So $500,000, Brian Brewer.
$500,000.
Now I'll bring F146.1.
And there is the new owner of that 65 Shelby GT350.
Muncie 4-speed, desirable side exhaust, NCRS shipping data report as well.